Okay, if you watched my prior video, I made Chicken Verda and it was so scrumptious. And I know I'm not pronouncing that right. And I had enough left over that not the next day, but the day after, I made these sheet pan nachos. Let's just jump right into this. So you'll need a sheet pan. Go ahead and put some aluminum foil on it because this will make a mess. You want to make sure to oil that aluminum foil. I used olive oil. Now I've got multi-grain tortilla chips. We get these from Aldi. These are so good. They're organic and they are gluten-free. And I put enough on the sheet pan for my husband and I. Now, if you have a large family, you might want to throw down more chips or the whole bag. And then I'm going to add the Chicken Verda. I did preheat this in the microwave. Now, I've got about a half a cup to 3/4 a cup of frozen corn that I preheated in the microwave as well for 1 minute to unthaw it. And I used half of the corn to begin with. And then I grabbed a can of black beans. I washed them really well. I always wash my black beans. I just hate the liquid that they come in. So I topped this with maybe half of the can, maybe 3/4 of the can. And then I went back and grabbed the corn and I topped it again with the corn. And we're not going to waste those black beans because we're going to do something else with those. Now we're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees, and that took about 7 minutes. And while that was cooking, I went ahead and I grated up some cheddar cheese. I've been doing this a lot lately, and you know what? This saves you money, and plus it's healthier. There's no additives to it, and it melts so much better. I will say it melts quicker. That's why I didn't add this in the beginning, is because it would have melted too quick. So while I've got that in the oven, I'm finishing up my cheese, and I actually grated about 2 cups of cheese. And now we're going to get our nachos out of the oven. It's been about 7 minutes, and voila, there they are. And now we are going to top this with that cheese. And back in the oven we go for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts. And remember those black beans? I keep a coffee can in my freezer where I put vegetables in when I have some left over, and I make soup with that. So make sure you check out my coffee can soup in my prior videos. Y'all, we don't waste anything around here. And you won't believe how delicious that soup is. My grandma taught me that. Now, voila, it's out of the oven. This was so good. I did not top this immediately because my husband and I like different things, but we put sour cream on this. My husband, he likes jalapenos. I actually like avocados, so we both did it a little different, but look how cheesy it is. You guys have got to make this. Go make you some Chicken Verda. Also, if you have Chicken Verda, I think I said that right, I don't know, left over, you can make soup as well.